What are 3 of the best ways to advertise? You are a businesswoman or a businessman. You have services and products to offer. Your goal is to reach all these customers. We will design a business video advert for your business where you talk about your products, show your services, use models and actors to advertise, show your achievements and track record, show your business premises, use computer graphics to show your professional look. Ask your customers to tell about your great business. Advertise special offers. Show your email, website, and street address. We provide you with 3 powerful advertising tools. A DVD with your advert, which you can play at your business premises or when you are visiting customers. Use your projector. A computer video you can play on your PC or laptop or website. And you can send it to customers using your email. A cell phone video you can play on your cell phone and send free using Bluetooth to customers you meet. Use it as a business card at meetings, on the street, at networking meetings, or using MMS. It's time to make money.